I'm PamOnSunset and we're doing a Dole Whip taste test. What the what? What's up, Pam Fam? I'm really excited because Disneyland and Disney World have announced their plans to reopen, and I have been missing Dole Whip like crazy! Because of the recent quarantine, Disney actually released their supposed Dole Whip recipe. If you don't know what Dole Whip is, this is it. It's a delicious pineapple vegan treat that they serve at the parks. However, this recipe is not vegan, so I know something is amiss. Can't trick me, Disney. I'm too much of a Disney fan for this. So I found 3 different recipes on YouTube and I tested all of them, and we're gonna see which one is closest to the real Dole Whip to tide us over till next month. I followed recipes from Abbey Mae, who followed the one that Disney released, Bigger Bolder Baking, and 6 Sisters Stuff. Dole Whip looks like it should be easy to make. It's kind of just like blending up a bunch of different ingredients, but I'm nervous because I want that authentic Disney Dole Whip taste. Oh, Dole Whip, I'm so excited for you. Tip number 1 from Abbey Mae's tutorial. She said to pipe the pineapple mixture into a cup. She did use the cup tip that I used for my last video. The mini pancake video, go check it out if you haven't seen it. But my pineapple got stuck in it because it was so cold and it made like a huge mess, and any of the piping that there was just like melted right away. So I don't know if she did this on a not hot day and it worked out for her. Hers looked super cute. Mine, I'm gonna show you, didn't look like that at all. So I'm gonna say don't bother piping it. Tip number 2 from Bigger Bolder Baking. She said to put the coconut milk in first, which I agree with. I think that probably helped blend the pineapple up a little bit easier. Because tip number 3 from 6 Sisters Stuff. She said to put the pineapple in first and then blend it by itself, and I think it really needed some liquid with it. So I would say blend all of her ingredients together first. However, she did say to take your pineapple out about 15 minutes before you're gonna use it so that it's like a little defrosted so that it's easier to blend. That tip has the Pam of approval. Okay, Pam Fam, it's what you've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Count down with me in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, so much pineapple-y goodness. I want to eat it right now. As a reminder, here's what mine looks like, here's what Abbey Mae's looked like, and here's what Bigger Bolder Baking's looked like, and here's what 6 Sisters Stuff looked like. Overall, I would say mine is definitely the ugliest. So we gotta get to the next part, the taste test. This is really what we've been waiting for, right? Now, 2 of these recipes called for real vanilla ice cream. I can't eat that, so I need to call in a recruitment. Alex!
What have I started?
It's your fault. Alex, have you had Dole Whip before?
At Disney, yes.
And you know what it tastes like?
Delicious.
Alex is going to taste each one of the 3 recipes.
Yep.
And tell me which one he thinks is closest to Dole Whip from Disneyland.
So
here is A.
Flavor A.
Option B. Option C. I did put these in the freezer for a little bit after. They're very melty. All right, which one do you think is the vegan one?
There's only one vegan one?
Yep.
I'm gonna go A is the vegan one.
Tell you which one's vegan because I can drink it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
So it's one of the ones in your hand. Is it? It's B. That was the one I thought wasn't because it had the most in the cup. I was like,
That's why it has most in the cup, because I can drink it too.
I thought the other ones had less in the cup because you already drank them like a pig.
Okay, which one of these 3 tastes the most like Dole Whip to you?
They're all pretty similar. I gotta give it an even tie, I think.
A tie?
Yeah.
Now I have to taste it. That one tastes completely different.
Which one?
This one's creamy.
If anything, A and C taste the same, and B tastes a little bit different. But I thought B was the one with cream in it.
I'm gonna say A tastes the most like Dole Whip, which is the Disney recipe. So even though it's not vegan, maybe you could put a non-dairy ice cream in it, and then it would be vegan.
Alright, let me taste these again, because I swear to God, they taste the same.
My ears were already ringing because I ate stuff I'm allergic to.
I'm not saying they're bad, they're all just the same. Misguided
I need a new taste tester!
That's it.
Alright, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you think Alex is the worst taste tester in the history of time.
Maybe I'm just trying to get extra taste tests. I really think they taste the same.
No, they don't!
I'm not just messing with you.
Try it for yourself, guys. Try it for yourself. It's A. The answer's A.